Hi, if you want to make money online just by watching YouTube videos, this is the best video to watch because I'm just about to share with you this website, which is windhub.com. Windhub.com is a website that you can use to watch YouTube videos and get paid real money on your account that you can withdraw right away to your PayPal account or to your online bank account or any other withdrawal method you need or you want to use. So it's completely a beginner friendly strategy or method to start make some money online to collect some cash to start a real business. As I said, this is just for beginners, so don't expect that you're gonna start making something like hundreds of or thousands of dollars per day. This is not that. If you want to make something like tens of dollars, something like 10 or 20 or $30 a day just by watching YouTube videos, this is the right strategy to follow. So as you can see right here, we're gonna be using this website in this tutorial or in this video, which is wintube.com. Wintube.com is a website that are paying money to people to watch YouTube videos, and this is how it works. It said earn money watching your videos online. You can create an account by clicking on get started or more about to learn more about this website and how it works. And right here you can learn how does it work. So we have partners at WinTube. Love share multiple videos. So why not get paid by watching videos online in your free time? We pay you cash simplify or simply by watching short videos or TV shows trailers. So here is how it works all the time. Watch videos, refer your friends and get paid. So you can get paid or you can make money on this website by watch videos, which is something like commercial ads, movies and TV shows online. It's the perfect way to earn money at WinTube. Refer your friends, so you can make $1 per each referred friend you refer to this website. So if you share your affiliate link or your referral link with other people, with your friends and your family, you're gonna get paid $1 per each one, and they're gonna receive as well a $5 on their accounts. And right here it said get paid, so as the money flows in you can transfer it to your bank account, PayPal account, and the more options as I said at the beginning of this video. And as you can see, here is a couple of partners that partner with this platform, which is something like AppNext, something like TubeMogul, something like LiveStreet, something like Pubmatic, and much more. So it's the best platform to get started as a complete beginner to start make money online. So as you can see, I just watched one video, right? As you can see right here is the total views. So I just watched one before creating this video, actually, just to see how the process works, and I get paid 61 cents just for a couple of seconds by watching one video. And once you create your account, you will have a $5 already in your account as a bonus from the website. So how this platform works, and what you need to do is just click on this get started and just enter your email, your password, your name and your birthday, and you will get your account set up in a couple of seconds, and you will see an interface like this one. And as you can see right here, we have, because I watched the first one, which is the 61 cent video. I just get it and I showed you that I just have it right here, and I will share it with you as well right here how it works and how you can make money by watching videos. So here is 1 2 3 4 5. So per or for every 24 hours you have 5 videos to watch, right? So if it's not that much that you want, you can create more accounts on this platform. So you can create something like 10 accounts and you will be able to watch 50 videos a day, which will makes you something like $25 or $20 a day earnings. and you will able to withdraw this money to your PayPal account with no problem. So to make money, for example, it chose this video right here because it pays 56 cents. Let's click on it, and once you click on it, you will be able to watch it. So as you can see right here, just we have right here a couple of ads. Just close them, and as you can see right here, it says this video is available after 34 seconds. So you just need to watch 34 seconds of this video to get your reward. And how to, you know, just click on the play button right here to watch the video. So this is a video from Dior official YouTube channel. Just click on it. I want to turn on the sound, and here is what is going on. And as you can see, here is a countdown or a timer that you just wait for this bar to get loaded, and then click on complete. It's pretty simple. Alright, just wait for it. Only 10 seconds left. So I think this is the best method for beginners to start make money online. And boom, right now let's click on complete. Once I click on complete, you will see that you get a reward for this view. As you can see, and boom, here is the success. It says successfully completed. You received $56 or 56 cents, I'm sorry. So if you want to see it on your balance right here, just to refresh the page. I'm just gonna refresh the page. Alright, and boom, right now I have $6.70. At the beginning of this video, I have only something like, yeah, I have only $5.61, but now I have $6.710, which is amazing. And you can do the same by keep watching more videos and more videos. Let's click on this one right here. I have 3 left, so it's the same process. Just click on the video and play it, wait for 34 seconds, and then you will be able to get your reward. So this is how you can make money. And you will see right here a couple of different channels and videos for some, you know, for some popular YouTube channels on YouTube, like David Dobrik, something like Mr. Beast as well. So yeah, so that was everything for today's video. I hope you liked the strategy and the method. If you like it, leave a comment below this video, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to join our family by subscribing to my YouTube channel, so this way you support me to upload more content. See you in the next video.